Hi everyone, I'm Whitney, the creator of Sugar and Sparrow, and I am so excited to let you know that my debut cake book, Anyone Can Cake, is here! You can order yourself a copy at anyonecancake.com or look for it wherever books are sold. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm super passionate about sharing delicious yet approachable recipes and teaching you how to decorate beautiful cakes with super detailed tutorials. I wrote Anyone Can Cake with all of that in mind. It's a collection of amazing cake recipes and an all-encompassing guide to baking, building, and decorating layer cakes as well. Whether you've never made a cake before or you've been at it for a while, my hope is that this book will help take things to that next level. The first half of Anyone Can Cake will help you master baking the perfect cake layers, building them into a structurally sound layer cake, and decorating your cake with a variety of frosting finishes, techniques, and styles. You'll learn how to achieve the perfect buttercream color palette, create a flawless strip cake, and add finishing touches like buttercream piping and sprinkles. We'll even cover how to troubleshoot problems like air bubbles in your frosting, fixing your buttercream consistency, and pretty much everything I can think of when it comes to preventing cake catastrophes. The second half of the book is all the recipes you could need to practice the skills that you learned in the first half. I'll start with my favorite go-to recipes like my one bowl chocolate cake, favorite vanilla cake, and all the frosting and ganache recipes that I use so frequently I have them memorized. Then they're what I'm calling next level recipes that break away from the more traditional flavors. A rainbow striped milk and cereal cake infused with Lucky Charms, a Ferrero Rocher cake with a Nutella ganache drip, a chai tea cake with spiced white chocolate frosting, a Snickerdoodle cake that's rolled in cinnamon sugar topping, a funfetti cake that you can whip up for anyone's birthday. These are all the recipes you can reach for whether you want to make someone else's day special or have a great time in the kitchen practicing your skills. Every one of these layer cake recipes corresponds with extra detailed tutorials in the first half of the book, so you have all the info you need to make each cake look exactly like the photo. You can order Anyone Can Cake today at anyonecancake.com, at the links in my video description below, or find it wherever books are sold. Thanks so much for supporting Sugar and Sparrow. I cannot wait for you to get yourself a copy.